Hi, good morning, Daniel. This is Jose again with Mejia with Triple J Digital Marketing. I spoke with you a little while ago, and as promised, here's your website audit video. I'm going to be showing you 3 things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Now, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company, and sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is they don't know who's an expert and who's not. So I found by giving away this free attack plan of actual things they can do to impact their business, a lot of businesses take this information and do it themselves, but some call me back and have me do it for them. So if by the end of this video you've liked what you heard and seen the things I can help your business with, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free attack plan and do it yourself, that works for me as well. So now let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time. So the first thing we want to go over is content. Now we're showing here your site, and this site is very well built. A lot of good pictures and a lot of good information here. I see a couple of videos here as well, so it's very well constructed. Now I'm using word count to take a look at the content on the home pages. Now Google loves content, and websites that have a lot of content rank better in Google size. Now you guys have about 342 words in the whole homepage website. Now showing your competition here, which is basically Maids.com, the biggest company around Los Angeles. They have about 545 words. Now on their homepage, and these are very beatable. And in addition to this, the more content you have, the more you look like an expert in Google size. So you'll want to beat out your competitors. Now, if they have 1,000 words, then we want to have 1,500, and so on. Now, next, when somebody searches for a search phrase, cleaning services Los Angeles, Google crawls the websites on the internet, searching and ranking the results. Now, this is a paid program that I use to research websites called Ahrefs. Now Google is looking for keywords and is looking for what the site should be found for. Now if you have the exact words, the search phrase listed multiple times on your site, you're going to be really relevant for that search, and Google is going to be willing to put you higher in the results, which we're going to be checking here. Now your site has 120,000 keywords, and the top keyword that is ranking high for your site is obviously your company name, the Maids, but also the second one, cleaning services near me. It's the international keyword. Now, if you're looking at the competitors, they only have 186 words for their local page, which is Los Angeles. And if we apply these keywords to your site, you're going to be ranking for these keywords as well. And you're going to be pulling in a lot more traffic to your site based on these topic keywords, which a lot of people are searching per month. Now we want to make sure that you're using keywords relevant to your search, and Google is willing to put you higher in the results based on that. Now the second thing I want to cover for you is another important aspect for Google: backlinks and UR and VR ratings. Now I put your competitor here back on Ahrefs. And based on the UR ratings shows how powerful your website is in the eyes of Google. Now, the DR rating is a trust rating, meaning how much Google trusts your websites. An important way of raising these numbers is through backlinks, which we can see over here. They have about 75 backlinks, but out of those 75, only 31 referring domains are giving their site power. Now, we have here that you guys have 106,000 backlinks, and out of those 106,000, 7,500 are giving you power. Now, if we want to add more power to this, we would just take a look at the backlinks that the competitor has, which we can see over here. And eventually, a backlink is essentially a shout out. So it's an endorsement from another website, which this program, we can actually see what links they have and obtain them for yourself. It's literally like a popularity contest where the website with the most backlinks wins people. However, not all backlinks are created equal, so it's worth noting that backlinks need to be relevant to your industry, and local websites will work best. Now moving on to the next visible section is the third most important thing. Showing the map pack here on the Google search page. I went ahead and did a Google search for cleaning services Los Angeles. Now this here is called a map pack, and the top 3 listed here are the ones that receive a lot of the work because they're super easy to find and are listed right away. So some things you can do to get listed in here is 1. Have a Google Business Profile or GBP. 2. Fill out as much as possible your name, number, hours, photos, etc. And 3. Put your name, address, and phone number into as many relevant directories as possible. Now these are called citations. A citation is anywhere your business name, phone number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google Business Profile or GBP. Now citations help you rank in this map pack here, which is extremely important for local businesses since these can generate huge amounts of revenue. Citations are included in directories like Yelp, Angie's List, Expertise, Better Business Bureau, and 100 of others that you may have heard of. Social media accounts are great too. Now the idea is that your site begins to be found by Google all over the internet. The larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you, and once Google sees you more often than these competitors, the more likely is to rank you above your competition. Now I see here that all 3 here, you're not in the top 3. I'm not sure what page you're located at, but it would be great to see your company here on the top 3. Now the websites, now within closing here, it looks like if you were to get more content and keywords on your site, increase your UR and DR ratings, and get some high quality backlinks and citations, you could be bringing in a lot of calls and start to outgrow your competitors online as well. Now, I'm not sure what your margins are, but I imagine that this will generate some decent revenue with more traffic. So this is what I do for a living, and I hope this video was helpful and greatly appreciate hearing your thoughts and questions. If you do find yourself wanting more to continue scaling as far as you want, feel free to reach out and I can help you with some more information, or we can talk about your goals. And I can do some research to find out exactly what could be realistic for your business and what it might take to reach those goals. Now again, my name is Jose Mejia with Triple J Digital Marketing. Feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching, and I really hope this helps. Have a great day.